Hi guys, this is the Davinci Lisa device, the alarm control panel of the Davinci wireless security system. Today, I'm going to show you how to add the Lisa device to the Davinci app and walk you through the initial setup settings. First, remove the mounting plate at the back of the unit. Power up the device using the supplied cable. Use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your network. Also make sure to plug in the battery connector. And this is the QR code that we will use later to add the device to the app. Install the Davinci app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure to allow notifications when prompted, so you can receive system alerts in the future. Create an account and follow the registration prompts. If you already have a login, simply sign into your account. Enter the verification code that was sent to your registered email address. Once logged in, you will see all the panels registered to your account. As you can see here, I already have an existing panel registered, but we will add a new one to show you the process. Click the plus symbol to add the Lisa device. Enter the implant or device name. You can either manually enter the implant serial number or scan the QR code to add the panel. In this example, I will add it using the QR code. Allow camera access when prompted. The serial number will appear on the screen, and then click confirm. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the panel has been successfully added. You can now see that the new Lisa panel has been added to your account. The control panel LED characterizes the system status or events that occur. The Davinci logo on the front of the control unit can light up red, white, green, depending on the status. When there are no signals in the system, the LED displays the standby status of the control unit, showing the tricolor of the Italian flag. A solid red light on the complete logo indicates that the system is armed. A solid blue light on the complete logo indicates that the system is in stay mode. When the green, white, and red lights flash briefly every 3 seconds, it indicates an AC power loss while the system is disarmed. When the complete logo flashes red every 3 seconds, it indicates an AC power loss while the system is armed. When the complete logo flashes blue every 3 seconds, it indicates an AC power loss while the system is in stay mode. Here are the other LED indicators on the system. This page is where you can add devices and view all devices that have already been added. As you can see, we currently do not have any devices added other than the panel. If we try to add a device now, the system will not allow it because we have not created a room yet. To add devices, we must first create at least one room. Click the room icon, then select Add Room. Assign a photo to your room. You can either take a photo using your camera or choose one from your photo library. In this example, I will use the camera. Enter the room name, then tap Save. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the room has been successfully added. Now that we have created a room, we can return to the Devices page to add devices. Devices are added using the same process we used when adding the panel. However, we will not add any devices at this time, as this will be covered in the next videos. The next page is the Notifications page, where you can view all notifications related to panel activities. The next page is the Actions or Commands page. This is where you can arm or disarm the system, arm in stay mode, send a panic alert, and activate outputs if an actuator or output module is connected. This section allows you to save your favorite commands. This button allows technicians to request access to the system. If you select the panel, it will display an overview of the system status, including devices information and operating parameters. Now, I am going to show you the panel operating settings. After selecting the panel, click the Settings cog located at the upper right side of the screen. Panel name and image. You can assign a name and personalize the image to help identify the panel, especially if you have multiple panels in your account. Tap the camera icon to take a photo of the panel or select an image from your phone's photo library. Ethernet. As the name suggests, this is where you can enable connection via Ethernet. By default, it is set to DHCP, but you can also configure a static IP. Enter the required details and press the back button to save. Cellular network. This function allows the control panel to communicate with the cloud using the SIM card. It automatically activates when LAN and Wi-Fi connections are unavailable. Enable cellular connection. This allows reporting via the SIM card when LAN and Wi-Fi connections are absent. Wi-Fi. As the name suggests, this allows the panel to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Areas. In other security systems, these are called partitions. Here, you can manage rooms and devices and limit user access to specific areas. Surveillance Center allows the control panel to communicate with the monitoring station using protocols such as SIA or Contact ID. Most of the required data on this page will be provided by the monitoring station. Cryptography enables encryption of transmitted data. Send coordinates. When enabled, the panel sends location coordinates during a panic alarm event. Send alarm reset allows you to choose whether the alarm reset is sent immediately or only after a system is disarmed. Settings. Check system integrity. Checks the status of the panel and devices before arming. You may also enable allow insertion to force arm the system. Various. Set a timer for self-exclusion or bypassing bistable devices. Disable tamper detection if required. Activate the siren when a tamper event occurs. Set the delay for notifying the user after external power loss. User data voice messages. Allows you to record or add an alarm voice message. Voice message on anti-panic. This voice message will play when a panic alarm is triggered. Voice SMS communicator parameters. Controls how the alarm panel reports events via voice calls or SMS notifications. Time zone. Set the time zone to Pacific, Auckland. Scenarios. allows you to program multiple actions grouped into a single command. Users. This section allows you to invite or remove users. You can also define permissions and assign accessible areas for each user. Installers. Allows you to invite or remove installer accounts. Manual. Redirects you to the device web page or online manual. Dissociate panel. Removes the panel from the account. Note that device settings will remain configured even after the panel is dissociated from the account. That's all for this video. In the next videos, I will be discussing the different Davinci devices and their settings. Until then, thank you for watching.